First, I'll introduce one sound. You have to spell the sound, okay? Okay, today we will practice 3-letter blending, and if you are able to read, we'll try with 4-letter blending as well, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Now, let's see the new sound, okay? So, how many alphabets are there? Tell me.
26.
26 alphabets are there, yes?
Yes.
Out of 26, how many vowels are there?
5.
5 vowels. What are they?
A-E-I-O-U.
A, E, I, O, U. Yes?
U. A-E-I-O-U.
Yes. All the 26 letters have different sounds, okay? Till now we have learned A, B, C, D, E, F, G, like that only, na? Yes?
Yes.
Now from today, you are going to learn A for one single sound, B for one sound, okay? One new sound.
Okay.
Okay, phonics is all about learning the letter sounds. Okay, each letter has one sound. Example, what is this? Is it visible?
Yes.
Yes.
Snake.
What is this letter?
S.
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 What is this image?
Snake. Snake.
Snake. So S has one sound. Okay, S has one sound. Yes, S knows all the sounds. S sounds as S. Do with action. Do with action. Draw S in the air. Draw S in the air. Imagine you're drawing S in the air. Draw. Everyone switch on your cameras. Yes. Draw S in the air and make the sound as. Repeat after me. It's not S. From here onwards, whenever you see letter S, you should spell it as S only, not S. Okay. S is the letter name. But S has letter sound. What is the letter sound of S? This is action, but sound is. Okay. Now let's see another sound. Okay. What is this letter? First tell me letter name.
A.
A. Yes. This is the letter name of A. Letter name. Okay. Remember, A is its letter name, but A. A is a vowel, yes. But short vowel sound of A is A. A. Imagine ant is crawling on your hand. Okay. Imagine, do with action. Everyone do with action. Ah, ah. How you will say? You're getting some pain. Now how you will say ah, ah, ah. Yes. Everyone unmute and say ah, ah. I am observing 2 videos are off. 2 members' cameras are off. Please switch on your camera. Then only I can see your action, whether you are able to do correctly or not. Okay? Ah, ah. Now short vowel A sound. Ah. Yes? Ah. Now we learned S sound. Yes? And we learned short vowel A sound. And now we are going to learn T sound. T sound. Okay, what is this letter? First tell me, what is this letter? T. But sound of letter T. What is sound of letter T? T. T. Imagine you are observing tennis game, okay? Here and there you are watching, okay? One side, you are looking one side, this side, and you are looking on the another side also. Right side, left side. How to watch this? T. T. Do with action. What is T sound? T. T. Correct? Yes. What is T sound? T. Yes. Now we have learned 3 sounds. Okay? Yes? I will quickly revise 3 sounds. You have to tell me. Okay? One after another. You can say loudly also. Okay? Now, what is sound of letter S? Louder, louder. Unmute and say Sai Saharsha, unmute. S. S. What is sound of letter S? Yes. Sound of short vowel A? Ah. Ah. Okay. Sound of short vowel A. You can say loudly. Ah. Ah. Yes. Now sound of short vowel T. Ch. Ch. Yes. Ch. 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 Okay. So we have learned 3 sounds. Yes.
Yes.
Now how to join 2 letters. Okay. Are you able to join this? A. T. Et. Et. Okay. Et. Yes. Today we will learn at least 22 words. Okay. If time permits and if you are learning quickly, we are going to learn 22 new words. 4-letter words, 3-letter words. Are you ready with me?
Yes.
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 Okay. Now we are going to learn new sound. What is this letter?
R.
No, no, no. It is I. I. E means sound. Sound hai. E means sound. But what is this letter? Letter name is I. But short vowel I sounds as E. See, there is a action, okay? So, I am a mouse, okay? My face is filled with ink. How I am rubbing it? E. Do with action. Then only you will be able to remember because vowels are so much confused. E. Yes. E. Understood? Now, next one, next letter is, what is this letter name? P. P. But P has sound. Okay, fine. Yes, P has a sound P. Imagine you are blowing the candle. How? P. Imagine it's a candle. Your finger is a candle. Okay. Your finger is a candle. How to puff it? P. P. Okay. P. Okay. What is the sound of letter P? P. Yes. Sound of letter P is P. Now, sound of letter N. Letter N. So, how the aeroplane sounds while flying? N. N. Okay. N. Okay. Now, let's see how to blend. Okay. I'll show you. I'll write one word. You have to blend it, okay? First one is A. What is sound of short vowel A? Add. To this, we are adding T. Add. What is that? At. Okay. Like this, you have to left to right, you have to read. Okay. Now, E. What is short vowel I sound? Tell me. E. N sound? So, how to join it? E. In. From left to right, you have to go like this. Okay. From left to right. E. N. In. Okay. Now, let's see 3-letter word. What is this letter sound? Now, what is this letter sound, short vowel I sound? E. E. Okay, short vowel I sound. Letter name means it's I. E. T. E. T. You have to join first two letters. How to do the joining? First join only two letters. Only two letters. Once two letters joining is done. T. E. T. N. N. Tin. Now read the word fully. T. E. T. N. Tin. Yes. Tin. So let's see another word. First you have to blend two letters. You know, right? What is this letter? P sounds. P. Now I sound. E. Now join it. To that I am adding one extra letter. What is this? N. Pin. Now join the third letter also. Okay, join the third letter also. Done? What is this word now? Pin. Likita, are you able to understand? Yes? Pin. Now, what is this letter? Letter sound. Now to this I am adding second letter. Okay, observe carefully what I am writing. A. Now how to blend it? A. Sa. First sound. A. Sa. Sa. Yes. A. Sa. To this we are adding another letter. What is T sound? Tell me. T. To this we are adding another extra letter. Sa. T. Sat. Sat. Repeat after me. Sat. See, we have done three letters also. Yes? Are you able to understand? Everyone tell me.
Yes, I know, sir.
Those who have doubt, you can ask me. Don't worry, you can ask me. Now, next word we will learn. What is this letter sound? P. To this I am adding the second letter and joining it. P. A. Pa. To this I am adding N. N sounds? N. Okay. N. Pa. N. Pa. N. First join two letters. Later join the third letter. Pa. N. Okay. Understood? Now let's see the four letter words. Okay. Per a. What is per a? Per a pa. So we learned till here. Yes. Now to this we are adding n. We already learned pan. Yes. So per a n. Pan. To this I am adding one extra letter. Pan. T. Pan. We are adding t. Now, how does the word become? Pant. 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 Understood?
Understood.
Pant. Pant. Now, let's see another word. What is the letter sound? Ch. What is this letter sound, short vowel I sound?
E.
E. T, E, T, E, T. This I am adding N sound. What is N sound?
No.
So what is the word? Tin. To this I am adding extra letter. Now read the word. Tin.
Tint.
Tint. Very good. Got the spelling, everyone?
Tint.
Tint. Yes. Very good. Now we will learn with these cards, okay? Cards. Yes. Now quickly I'll revise the sounds. Later I'll start blending. Now sound of letter N. It's not na. From now onwards, no one should say extra A also. Na, no. Cut it. Cut the sound. Cut it. Okay. Next one. Sound of letter P. P. Puff a candle. Yes. Now, what is this letter sound? Short vowel I sound? Yes. Short vowel I sound? E. Very good. Everyone are reading very well. Now, sound of short vowel A. Okay? Very good. Today, everyone are learning very well. Now, sound of letter T with action you have to do. T. T. Action. What is the action? T. Okay? Now, last. Sound of letter S with action. Yes. Now, let's see how to blend this three-letter word. We already learned this.
No.
No, first try. No. First give chance to first two letters. Pa.
No.
Pin.
Pin.
No, pan. A sounds a. Pa. Pa.
And pan.
Pan. Very good. Now, next word. First, try two letters only. Only two letters. Everyone can try. E. This I. E.
Nip.
Yes. Ni.
Nip.
First join two letter blending, okay? Ni. Nip. Ni. Now let's try. Okay, I'm closing the third letter. First join this. Two letters only. Only two letters. P. Likita, give it a try. Try. Yes, correct. P. Pit. Okay. Now, this one. Tap. What is this? Now repeat after me. What is this image? Tap. Very good. Well done. Now, we already learned this.
Sad.
Yes, Now, next word. What is this next word? Two letters. Start. Blending only 2 letters.
Sa.
Sa. Very good. Sa. Now read. Sap.
Sap. Sap.
Sap. Sap. Okay. Sap. Sap. Now this one. And. Ant. 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 Okay, now shall we try dictation?
Yes.
Only single letter sounds only. Don't worry. I will say the letter sound. You have to write the letter. That's it. No words, nothing today. Okay?
Okay.
Only single letters. Will you try?
Yes.
Yes. Nikita, you can also try. Very easy. Very easy. Okay?
Okay.
First thing, I'll tell the letter sound. Okay? I'll tell the letter sound. You have to write the letter in your notebook. Only letter. No blending, nothing. Okay? Don't worry. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Tell me, ma'am. Ma'am, tell me again. I'll tell. Okay?
Okay.
Everyone are ready? Show me.
Yes, madam.
I'm going to tell the sound. Listen carefully. Okay? Don't see the letter. Directly write the letter. Don't say. No one should reveal. No one should reveal. You have to write the letter in your notebook.
Finished, madam.
Oh, so cute. So
Finished.
very good.
Finished.
Finished?
Ma'am. Yes.
Wait, I'll see later. I'll see later. Okay? I'll check. Once the 6 sounds are done, I'll check it. Okay? Now, the next sound is A. A. You have to write one single letter. That's it.
Done.
Done?
Done.
Yes?
Yes.
Now, next letter sound. T. Done. So quick, everyone.
Finished, ma'am.
Finished? Very good. Now, next sound is E. Yes.
I done.
No, you should not reveal.
Ma'am, done.
Done?
Done.
Okay. Next sound is P. Puff your candle. P.
Finished, madam.
Finished?
Done.
Okay. Done?
Yes.
Now, next sound. Mm. Mm.
Ma'am, finished.
Finished? Okay, now you show it. You show. Wait. Very good. Your sister also wrote. Very good. వచ్చేసిందా నీకు? నేర్చుకుంటున్నా అక్కతో పాటు? Very good. Yes, all correct. Now, all correct. Yes, all correct. Yes, correct. You have to write in this. Okay, separate line each. S, A, T, I, P. Everyone wrote in the same line only. Okay, separate. I told na. That's why you have to write separately. Okay. Will you try 2-letter dictation or we will learn more words? Tell me now.
More words.
More words?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.